Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork. I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and today I want to talk real quick about a concept called negligence in the law. And what made me think about this was that tragedy in New Orleans where that guy drove the car into the crowd. And this is also kind of the same thing when people get in fights down here in Old Town Scottsdale, and they want to sue the guy who punched them in the face or whatever. The same thing is like in those cases you're dealing with what's called an intentional tort. So that's not negligence. It's not like an accident. It's not like as if the restaurant left some water on the floor and somebody slipped and fell. That's an accident, whereas a bar fight or somebody driving their car through the crowd, that's an intentional tort. And so you wouldn't sue the person who did it if you had anything. And one of the real reasons why you wouldn't sue them is usually they don't have any money. Usually the guy who you fight with at the bar, or usually the person who drives the car into the crowd, they don't have any money, nor do their family or anything like that. So you don't sue them. They're judgment proof. They don't have deep pockets. And I talked about that before, and I'll put that in the card here in the video. But yeah, so it really doesn't make sense to sue the the defendant who did this to you. But actually, you do have lawsuits, potential lawsuits, obviously, against the premises, against the place. Sometimes you can sue the place for lack of security. Sometimes you can sue the place for improper training. In that scenario, then it's kind of like suing for the slip and fall in the supermarket. You're kind of basically saying that you should have anticipated something like this happening, so you should have had security. You didn't train it properly, whatever. So those are the lawsuits that would happen in that type of bar fight or in this tragedy in New Orleans. That's what the lawyers will probably be suing for, is basically they didn't have enough security. So anyways, hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email at darrenw@msn.com. You can check out my website at woodforklaw.com. And also, in this next video I'll leave is just a video I put about people being judgment proof, and you don't want to sue somebody who doesn't have any money. They say you can't get blood out of a rock or something like that. I'll put that in the next video right here. I know I have it up here on a video somewhere, maybe in a short, but anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.